Hi everyone, it's WFView here. I've had my X6100 for a while now and I've never been able to get it connected to my home Wi-Fi. Don't know if that's a problem everybody else has. But I'll be honest, as it's one of the fundamental parts of the radio, being able to get it on the network, I thought it would be nice for it to work. Here we go. Okay, so here we go. To get into the Wi-Fi, we're going to go to System Settings. And we're going to go to WLAN. I'm going to press the MFK. And it's going to fire up the Wi-Fi. Now what should happen is there should be a list of available networks down here, and I know my home network's available. I know that my Amazon Fire Stick thing in the telly is available, but they never come up, even though Wi-Fi is turned on. It's not fantastic. Okay, it's been on for a good 5 minutes now. It's not picking up any Wi-Fi. So to get around this, I bought myself a little USB-C to Ethernet connector off Amazon. This was about £5. Came the next day, which is fantastic. So if I plug it in to my host port down the bottom, now what I'm going to do is obviously plug it into my Cat5 network, or my home network. So what I've done here is I've plugged it into my home network. As you can see, it's connecting. So you're probably wondering, like me, it's all very well being able to get your X6100 on the wired network, but how do you find out what the actual IP address is? Well, what you need to do is go onto your home router admin page, and you need to identify your actual device on the network. And we can see down here amongst the Xboxes, and if I click on info, it's going to give me the IP address for X6100, and you can see it's up there. And by using this IP address, you can connect it to WFS View, which comes with the new firmware for the X6100. Okay, so you can see here I've opened up WFView. Okay, so we can see in the host name, I've put the IP address in. You can see down the bottom, it's telling us the latency, and it's telling us the losses we need to receive. And if we go up to view, click on that, we can see we've actually got a waterfall. Now I've not got an aerial connected at the moment, so there's nothing on the waterfall. But from here we can change the frequency. We've got LS meter. We can change the mode, and we've got some sliders here for microphone, transmit. I imagine that's squelch. It is squelch. AF gain and RF gain. So that's how you connect to WFView if you can't get your Wi-Fi working. Back at the radio then, we can see that we have cat control. I'm controlling this from my laptop, and you can see that the VFO is being controlled. I can go to the band tab. I can change band. There you go. Change band. I can have frequency presets. Original one. Okay, so that's how you connect to your home network if you can't get your Wi-Fi working. So just to go back to remind you where it is, the system settings. We're going to go to WLAN or wireless LAN. Down here is W server, which needs to be running for you to connect. WFView. So we'll just turn the MFK, press the MFK. As you can still see, and as you can see, we still have no Wi-Fi connection. WF server. You can see it's happily running. It's running because we've got the stop there. So if I wanted to stop this, I could, and it would disconnect from my laptop. So that's all I've got for now. Just thought I'd show you that quickly. Hope it's useful to you. Thanks for watching.